Just rolled off the truck. Literally, this is the first one. 2025 AMG GT63e. This is the first exclusive. So this one, man, it produces 800 horsepower, 1,000 pounds of torque. By 4-liter V8, with rear-mounted electric motors. This is how you know it's legit. Yes.
Oh, my bad.
You're good. I edit you out, so no big deal.
What?
I can take you out.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Just dropped off, rolled off the truck. As a matter of fact, you see the transport truck in the back. It's available if you have any questions. That's, you know what? Like all the money in the world,